Hello friends, welcome to Simla Devbhumi Himachal Pradesh. I hope all are doing very well. So today I have come to visit Jaku temple, which is on an ancient temple in Simla dedicated to Lord Hanuman. It is situated at Jaku Hills, the highest peak of Simla, 2.5 km of east of the ridge at a height of 8,054 feet above sea level. So this is the way, and from this way I am going. Let's see the view. Really, some peoples are always coming, devotees of Lord Hanuman always going to visit this temple from the ridge nearby the Himachal Pradesh State Museum. Behind there is a like way to come here. So it's also very beautiful and natural places. We can see the beauty of this place. It is also passing from the forest, and dense forest is there in summer season. In winter season we are also getting the cold and snowfall here. This is fully covered by the snow. So in this area I am going to visit the Jaku temple. So every year on this temple, they are like a festival is held on Dasara. Before 1972 the festival used to held at Enadel, but nowadays in every year from 1972 the festival held at Jaku temple of Dasara festival, which is dedicated to the festival of goddess Durga. So really it is. And right now I just reach, and even there is a ropeway, horse riding, which is available to come here to visit the Jaku temple. So I am going through this way to visit the Jaku temple by walk only. So let's see the view. So it's a very good and very neat and clean temple, and along with the way is also so neat and clean, we can see. And it's great moment for me, and we can see lots of monkeys also available here in the on the way. So they are also trying to grab something like such as the some prasad and some devices. Even they are also grabbing the mobile phone also, so we have to aware from them. So this is the way, and finally I reached to the Jaku temple. So let's see the view. There are some mantra which is also written here on every step to the Jaku temple, and still I am going one by one step towards the Jaku temple. And let's see, this is the statue of Lord Hanuman, which is one of the tallest statue in the world. So let's see the view. So I am going to explain about the Jaku temple. So like Sri Hanumanji statue is situated in the temple premises, which is known as one of the tallest statue in the world. According to Ramayana, Lord Hanuman stopped at these hills to rest while searching for the Sanjeevani booty to revive his brother Lakshman of Lord Sri Ram. So due to this event, the temple at Jaku Hills hold prime significance among pilgrims and tourist attraction there. So let's see the view of the Lord Hanuman statue, and lots of monkeys you can see, they are also always sitting there. So the view of the Lord Hanuman statue is also visible clearly from the here, which is a very unique statue. So after taking a rest here, leaving before this place, Lord Hanumanji promised to Yakshrishi that at the time of return from Dronacharya mountain, after getting and bringing the Sanjeevani booty, he will meet to Yakshrishi. Due to being in the embracement of a demon named Kalnemi on the way, Lord Hanumanji went through a short route due to the lack of time at that time. So right now I just came in front of the Jaku temple. We can see the view. So lots of stores also available, like religious objects we can get from the here, like trays, garlic, prasads, and even Anna Kshetra is also available here. In this side there is Anna Kshetram. We can get the prasadam here, and this is the way to go inside the temple, because inside the temple camera is not allowed. So that reason I am making the content from here only. And this is the shoes store, where we can keep our shoes and luggage and bags. So it is very good. And let's see, there is one, lots of monkeys are also sitting here, and always monkeys used to stay here across the temple, each and every places we can see them, lots of monkeys. So it's also very wonderful temple which is located on the Jaku hill, which is the highest peak of Simla. So again come on the temple. So when Hanumanji did not return to Yaksh Rishi, the sage Yaksh became distraught and angry on Hanumanji. After this, Hanumanji appeared.
Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Bajrangbali. So right now I am just in front of the Jaku temple, which is located on Jaku hill in Simla. It is just above the Reach and Mall Road. So let's see and explore together with me the Jaku temple. It's very natural place, and also the temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman and Sri Ram. So really it's a very unique and amazing place, and also so natural place. We can see and observe the temple is also looking so unique, and it is also so popular temple here, which is above the hill and above the ridge in Simla. So let's explore together with me the Jaku temple. So Bolo Bajrangbali ki jai, and let's see and view and enjoy together with me the Jaku temple. Thank you.
So after this, Hanumanji disappeared and appeared to him, and self-situated idol of Lord Hanumanji appeared at this place. So with which the Yaksh Rishi built a beautiful temple of Hanumanji. So there is a hug statue already explained about that. So a hug 108 feet high statue of Lord Hanuman has also been installed in 2010, which officiated by the Abhishek Bachchan of cost, and construction cost was 1.5 crores. So this is all about this temple, Jaku temple, and Jaku statue of Lord Sri Hanuman we can see. So आपदा मातरम दातराम सर्व संपदाम लोकाभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमा भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेद से नुगताय पतये नमः दिलांबुल सिमल सीता समोरूपित्वा पानव रागम रसुवंतनाथम या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वासाधिके शरण्ये के गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। जय श्री बजरंगबली। आपदा मातरम दातराम सर्प समद लौकाभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमः भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे नुगताय पतये नमः. And so this is the all experience about this temple. So this is the elevator stairs. From this elevator stairs I am going down from the Jaku temple, because still I have to visit one temple which is located just before this temple, so which is remaining for me. And another temple we can see is a very neat and clean also elevator stairs, and also we can take very short duration to come by the elevator stairs. So I am going to visit another temple from this elevator that is also quite popular here, and another temple in Simla which is also dedicated to goddess Kali as a Syamla Devi temple, because Simla names derived from the Syamla Devi temple. And another temple is a Tara Devi temple which is also quite popular here in Simla. So I am exploring one by one. So this is the, let's see, still I am taking some time to go returning from the here by this elevator stairs I am using right now. So lots of tourists and pilgrims and devotees of Lord Hanuman always used to come here to visit this temple. So this is full experience regarding the Jaku temple, and still one temple I am going which is located nearby this temple only. It is the located just before the Jaku temple, which I am going to see. Let's see, this is the temple of Baba Balaknath in Jaku temple, which is also located in Jaku hills. So I am going from this way inside the Baba Balaknath temple. So there is also a Langar hall. We can see Langar hall is also visible from the here. So I am going inside the temple of Baba Balaknath, and we first we have to keep our shoes here only before entering into the temple. So this temple is really also very beautiful. So this is the idol of the Baba Balaknath. So Jai Baba Balaknath. And also these are lots of Hanuman statue, goddess goddess Kali, goddess Durga, goddess Parvati, Sri Ram, Mahadev, Shiv Shankar, Bholenath, and lots of idols of god and goddess are in this Baba Balaknath temple. So it's also a very big temple and very quite popular temple. So this is all experience about me. So Jai Shri Bajrangbali, Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Baba Balaknath, Jai Shri Krishna. So this is all experience about the Jaku temple and Simla. So once again, thank you so much. Jai Sri Ram. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.